Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you how to create data entry form in Excel. First, we will open a blank workbook. We got the sheet. In this sheet, we'll write our header, column name or field name. First name, last name, email, phone, address. We got our header or field name. Now we need to click on menu with the file. We can see our option. The option we can see menu. On left menu, we'll click on customize ribbon. At right side, we can see data. We'll select the data and we click on new group. On new group, we'll do rename according to our needs. Suppose customer information. I will select the symbol. Okay. Choose commands from. We'll select customer is not in the ribbon. From the select box, we'll select the form and we'll add. Finally, we'll click on OK. We'll come back to the sheet. We'll click on data. We can see the form. And about will reappear. We'll click on OK. We got the form. First name John Smith. John Smith.com, New York. We got the form and we set some data. Now, when you click on new, we got the information into our sheet. Now we can enter some data. We can do previous, next. We can change here. We can delete. Thanks for watching this tutorial.